What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is going to be episode 3 of the MR2 build. Lots been done since the last video. I'm going to show you guys some updates and give you a quick walk around of the MR2. So if you guys remember from the first episode, this car had suicide doors on it, which I hated. So I ended up going to eBay, purchasing some hinges. They were kind of hard to find, honestly, and kind of expensive. It's an older car, so that's to be expected. All these holes from the previous owner, I'm not sure why, but they drilled into the actual body, so I gotta weld those holes up. I marked them just so I don't forget, along with those holes also. So the entire interior is taken apart currently, minus the dash, just so it's easier to clean. I want to get all the dirt and the nasties out and get ready for the manual swap. It's going to be the next episode, manual swapping this thing. Ordered the parts for it. So also, the engine's removed. I got to detail the engine bay and get it prepped for paint. And over here, got the subframe. It's painted blue for some reason. I've been working on sanding it down, getting down the bare metal, so I can get that painted and primed. And today, we're working on the gas tank. So I bought a Walbro 255 fuel pump. And today we're going to install it. Pretty straightforward. So I got this kit off of eBay, but it's the genuine Walbro pump. It comes with everything you need. It's got the fuel pump, some hose, clamps, harness, connectors, groove, and a filter. So it comes with the lock washer for the filter. So. Quick size comparison. This pump's way larger than the Walbro, but it flows way less. It's funny. The seal looks pretty good, so I'm just gonna reuse that seal. Pretty much it. I won't be running an evap system. I'm going to be looping these two lines. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and cut off this piece of the fuel line, but we're not going to need it. I'm going to be running a KTUNED fuel system, turn system, so all you really need is this guy, and you can go ahead and cut the line. All you do is loosen it, tighten it around the line, tighten it as tight as you can tighten it, spin it a couple times, tighten it again, spin it, tighten it again, spin it. Go. The KTUNED fuel system has a pressure regulator. I put an adapter in because I had the filler net coming up on this side for the coolant, so I just rerouted it. It goes all the way up to 100 psi. But this is the return line. This line would be going to this line and this return line right here, and then the pressure line that we just modified. This has a built-in fuel filter, this will just go right off of there and run all the way back up to the fuel rail here.